kublai pi barwa gi pedang subahai pi sekatuk kubor jong pet ngor cable news haswa bingine sedang ye ki kubor ki jongi minta kata yong ini kmi shwai ki mat pongsan menjur ka kunhun menteri bantai ka medical skill hunar hub West Garo Hills ha ka jinglut basis pa san kuai klur tengka Jong jingelang UCM bat ki district council bat mu penteri kam ye ka CRPC bat CPC ha ka jela Rai ke sarkar ban pensionayeng bat penkenria iki besa athemator syaka quarter jong ka SMB. Ansas pon iki bapahara hajing kingdom lada yo yat kitrok ki bakit palat put. Lada ye ka constitution kari lak ban penkela balai ye ka MOU jong ka jing penbet put omla ong ka HYC. Bat ajeng batai ka Dr. Arpita halor ka jing bampun kun ki kenthai. Ka kunhun menteri kebalai kendu ha kasi hat majai jong kata yo kala ai ye jing menjur bantai ye ke medical skill hunar hub ha babadam ka bahab ha West Garo Hills district ha ka jinglut jing sap ka bakot chis pa san puai klur tengka tam bat kani ka skill center kandai ka bahe tam ha ka than ste lam mi ngi berak away
haba yekran bekinong pathai kubor hadin balawai ka jingelang jong ka kunhun menteri Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Ulong bayakan ke projek onte ke jinglut kemenkot Cispa San Puwei poin kendai san klur tengka. Balas dang ban penwandur nadu kesenam Hajar Arpo. Badai tang ke West Garo Hills ke belah Syajid ban yo ke bahak tengka ha kesenam Hajar Arpo na ketenat Minority Affairs. Hendrai nadu kesenam Hajar Arpuar kaladon nok gejing penkela ha ke babarok ke distrik mentah gila ban yo ke jingerap dengan ketenat jong ke sorkar pedeng. Uli itu bagi sorkar kala terwa ban penlod arspa prapuar kelur tengka bantai kena ke projek. Nrei hadian kejing penbed keladon kejing penkelah kejing terwa ha ke bagi sorkar pedeng galamang sispa san puwei poin kendai san kelur tengka. Bat nak kena ke bahak tengka ke sorkar jela kan hak ban penlod hi shipho nak ke sispa. Kat bagi sorkar pedeng kan ai sispa lai pesan kelur tengka. Menteri Rangba ulong baleng bang ke project on don jaka na kebenta Hajar Sans pangut kisam la pulia ka pharmaceutical college ka nursing college ka paramedical college bat ka skill development center bat kin don bonteli ke hostel na kebenta kisam la pulia bat kan longru ka skill center ka bahedo ha ka than stela mingi ha ka bedai bat ka medical skill
but after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India. The project will come up in West Garo Hills district in Babadam area, which falls under North Tura constituency. And this will have a space for almost 2,500 students and different hostel facilities. It will have a pharmaceutical college, a nursing college, paramedical college, and one skill development center. And there will be large number of hostels for all the students who are studying. And this will in one way become one of the larger skill centers for medical skill in the entire Northeast. The funds for this also, the initial installment has been released and this has been given. The work for this will be done through a PSU, which is EPI, Engineering Project India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking. And this undertaking also was, this PSU also was selected after a bidding process and other PSUs were also, had also submitted their bids. And out of the 3 bids, the L1 was EPI, which is Engineering Projects Limited, and they have been asked to execute the work.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ulong bagi sorkar kalaya cekamat ban penkrea na kebenta bandon ne kejing krene sok pedeng ka kunhun keng atiar ke HNLC ke sorkar pedeng bat ke sorkar Jela. Ulong bagi kam kelaya tikelenti ke badai bat an persyang ban penkloi ki kam kejam hendrai dan kampat ban sengutu syai bagane ka kam long ke besok. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong badan kam meneselok bat baro bat ban yoru kejing syania aha bagia cekmat bat unget scam ban la ban penia cekmat kene kejing ekran bat ban poino eka syakabakut.
See, this is a process. We have to understand that things don't happen immediately. There are a lot of concerns from all sides. and which are very genuine, of course. And therefore, we need to take all those concerns into mind and then take the talks forward. So things are on track. We are moving in the right direction, and we will try to, to speed up the process as much as possible. But as I said, we need to also realize that this is a complicated process, and we need to take everybody into confidence, build up the confidence as we move along. But as I said, things have been initiated, and I'm very sure and very confident that we will be able to take this discussion also to its logical conclusion.
Halor ke jing sapriang ka kaipot jang ka fact finding team jang ki pulet. Kabal keno bau he pulet uba jike yang rai ula penen kam bakla ya kebor bakla don ru ka jing le thok. Menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba ka sarkar kan kenran dien bantung ya ka kenhun toket. Halor ka jing keno ba ka don ka jing penen kam bakla ya ki arp kondai tri ki kali da uba jike yang rai. Lada kawan ka jing ajing mut na ka tenat pulet. Ulong dai ban ailat shwa ki kam bakinya cakmat ber kesorkar kan kiar lada dai bantung ya kanu ko kenhun toket. Balada kadon kanu kejing bakla kemalaja on hak bania cakmat ban pha toket. Menteri rang ba ulong ba kamlong ka badai bat kebayahap ban chupen poi be cakbakut ikre ka kam. Da ka basukan no badan kejing da thok. Ulong bagat tenat kalia cakmat bag kejing toket bat kin sati bnia alor kejing te baper. Bat kin sepen mi ka kaipot kat kum kejing ajing mud jong ketenat korbari bat ki he officer.
So obviously if there is anything wrong that's happened, definitely we will go ahead and put some inquiry into these things. But as I was mentioning even about a week or 10 days back, that from overall initial looks of everything that's happening, it looks like there was some issues that were concerning the allotment that took place, some delay and some use of or misuse of certain areas. But in principle, the procedures look to be in place. That's what it looks like. But of course, the department is going into the entire inquiry. They will go into the details and they will come out with their findings. And as per the suggestions that are given by the Home Department and the officials, we will definitely take action regarding this. And we're not here to not take action. All I'm saying is that it's not correct for us to just jump to a conclusion even from the press side and just start using big words just to get the attention of the public. It doesn't look proper. Yes, if there are facts and figures and when it comes out if something is there, then it's fine. But I don't think it's proper to just limit. So let the process continue. And as I said, we will ensure that whatever has to be done from our side, we've never shied away from any inquiry, any commissions, any inquiry that has to be done. We will not shy away from that either. So there's no problem in that, and we will do what it takes. Let it come out. Let it come out. Let the report come out. Let the suggestions come out from the department. All I'm saying is don't jump into conclusion is all I'm saying. Don't jump into conclusions. We have never shied away from any inquiry. We will never shy away from it.
Ka sarkar jela bat kilait ligi district council jong ka jela hakasi hat majai jong ta yo kile shong jingelang ha secretariat bania tai sani halor ka jing tmu jong sarkar jela ban penjlan ya ka jing pentri kam ya ka code of criminal procedure lani ka CRPC bat ka code of civil procedure CPC ha ka jela brakwe
ha kani ka jingelang lawan bani shimbanta du chief executive member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Titos Starwell Khan Chief Executive Member ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Thombor Shiwat Deputy Chief Executive Member ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Nikman CH Marak kinang sadaan rengkat ka jingedan lang ki Menteri Sarkar bat ki officer ka Sarkar jela Uba Titos Starwell Khan ulong bagi District Council kila persya ajur ke jing temu ban pentrekam ya jing penmenapat ba ke batmu ban pentrekam ya CRPC bat CPC ha jela brokowe Ulong bakiliatai sani bah halor ke jing terwa jong Sarkar jela bat kilarai ban panpor arsngi na Sarkar jela kanang babarok lai teli ke District Council kinyo syong perkat shwa bat kiru start an bat kinselit ya kenduk biang ke Sarkar jela hadian bakiladap ban chemekarai Uba Titos Starwell Khan uletho baga jingtmu ke sarkar kalong ban penkup bor ya ki judicial magistrate kebla syatung hadian bala pihak ya ke judiciary na ke executive. Bad menteri rang ba ula pentikna bagi district council code kin syakta lagi dari village code na additional subordinate code. Uletho ba anselum ke jingelang bad barok ki MDC rengkat bad kinong sadaan. Hasyo ban IT ke jing terwa jangka council syak sarkar jela halor ke nekamat. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi District Council rengkat berkakenhun kinong sadaan kilapan por arpusau haduk sapu prakenta ban kemi benia halor barok kimat kibla kedo. Bad hadian bekladap bania taisani kinsawan ya kenduk biang bad kermen scam buat nlak ban penpoy kene kam syakabakut. Ulong balaai kejing pensyai bakat omdon kanu kejing penduk ne kejing kentur pun ya kebor terikam jangki District Council Court. Ulong bak executive mensyua Kajutian Bishar pada gebor lepen kup nesyem nak act jong kesenam syajar kandai sepak lepunyo. Bacisin bela pihak gebor pada ke judiciary bat ke executive ki autonomous district council kim don bor syuk ban beteng bat lamino daki judicial magistrate. Ki judicial magistrate mentah ki syong tian Bishar bat ki dei ban syap pun kup bor kat kum ki kendon an bat ki kendon jong ka act jong kesenam syajar kandai sepak lepunyo. Bagi kedau tek ya ki deputy commissioner namar hakitu ki por hakasem syajar kandai sepak lepunyo ki dan tang ki deputy commissioner. Menteri rangba ulong bagi kendon bat ki bor jeng ki district council la kedau syai kedar hakariti sensyari bat haka 6th schedule. Komta kamdon gejeng temu ban penduk no ya ke bor jeng ki district council.
Te hawat hakajing sisya nakaliang jongi ke council ngila ay ka proposal ke jongi bangila airu ya kecing persya ke jungi halo ke pan implement lani ban penmi ya ke notification ban pentrikam habaro ko kawai ke state te ngila yo ya ke call mentakasi ke jingkhot ya ke meeting bat ngila discuss ba bat ngila deliberate ba nadu ba almost 1 hour mo ngila ya discuss ba bat hadin ba ngila kham ngam jelio halo ke jingtemu nakaliang ke sarkar karai ke bakat du ke bangi aim tak sing kelong bakin ai por biang ngi ka ki council baru likely hapo arsingi ngini syong bat ki legal expert ki jungi bangin sawan ra da ka wepat ka proposal ya ka government hoi ka jing temu jong ka sarkar pidi ban sutu angni ba ka ban ai board ya kini ki judicial magistrate ki ba ka sarkar kala thum hadin bala secretariat ya ka executive bat ka judiciary pitip mensyua syua ban sekret lani ban pihak ya judiciary baka eksekutif kemut DC lani additional district magistrate udu judicial magistrate ten rei hadin bala sekret no te gila mi mentagi judicial magistrate ha baru ki district headquarter bakum juru ha ki subdivisional level ten rei kum balong mentagi ni kim don board ki kelampat confer iki ya kata ka power bakin trial iki case te nak kata kadau nak liang government ka kwa ba kini ki court ki bala establishment ta hapo ki district bat kumjur ki subdivision bakin trekam no kenang bakan long ka jing mentoi hi nak banta jo ki pai ba ka ei ka ba u CM mentau la assuring ki kalong ba ki court ki jungi jong ki district court jong ki district council court hi ka bor ka bangi don kanum kta kanum don kanunu ka jing kta ya ki district council court ki jungi ki bangi don wala da kadai ki village court wala kadai ya ka additional subordinate court tenrei habaya kren pat habaya dei bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kanu notification ka ban penmi na sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi hab ban pej benia ba na kata kada ngi khamsem ko ngo bantakas ngi bangi ong ban ai por biang ngi kumba arsi ngini syong ngan sakhat MDC baro bania discuss dengan ni lengkat ba legal team ka jungi bat hadin bangi la syai ngin sa ai ka proposal kabangi na kaliang kajungi ngi persya na do baslang kalong ba ngitieng ba hadien balakon bala penmi kene notification kan kata igi district council court kajungi tenrei menta pat haga discussion kabangi kendo CM bat ki deputy CM bat ki minister kalong ba ki pensutu labatai ngi ba kanum kata ya ki district council court bagi district council court kin yaj be ya kam kum bagi jule baru kata ka di ka ba ki pensengau na kaliang kacungki dan re ngala ongi fi wala kataru namarkan syong pat ha kani kan notification ngilayo kani ka draft notification bat re ngimpat sohun na ta kada ngi pan por biang bangi kwa bandaya ngam jeleu ya kani bat hadin bala syai bala sutu bakanum kata ya ki bor jongi ke district council ya kata ngi samenjor
that there is no question of diluting or infringing into the powers of the judicial powers of the district council, and that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. And the executive earlier used to take up cases, and that those powers were conferred, or they used to draw them from the 1937 Act. Once the judiciary and the executive was separated, the ADC judicial did not have the powers to continue, and hence the judicial magistrates came into being. And the fact that the judicial magistrates today are taking up cases, they have to be conferred power under some provisions. 1937 provisions were specific to the DCs, because that time in 37 there were only deputy commissioners. So the powers were conferred to the administrative, to the executive side, and there was no judiciary at that point in time. So hence the judicial magistrates will also have to draw powers from certain provisions in the constitution, and hence it is being suggested that it should be drawn from para 5. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner. That's the main purpose. But as I said, second part is there is no intention to dilute the powers of the district council, and the provisions and the powers of the district council are clearly mentioned in the constitution and the 6th schedule. So there's no question of in any way diluting those powers.
Ka sorkar jela hak sibelang jokotayau kelasong jingyalang baniakran hak bayde bagajing tmu ban penkenriak no ya ki besong basa hathemetor syakawai pat kajaka bat hagani gajingyalang la shimya karai ban penkenriak iki basa hathemetor syaka quarter jongga Shillong Municipal Board kabadan ha Bishop Cotton Road.
Ka sorkar jela hakalai puitrik unailar arhajar arpuar kalashime karai ban penkenria iki basa athem metor syaka kuota jong Shillong Municipal Board kabadan ha Bishop Cotton Road kabadan marjan bat kayengsa jong unong yalam kaliang persya kiyeng dorbar thawaan ka jela. Yakni karai lashime ka jingelang kablalum da usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba Prestun Tensong ha kabaledon lang menteri kampen roisor uba senyau bahalang dahar kihe officer katanat municipal bat katanat penroisor. Uba Prestun Tensong ulong bag sorkar jela kelarai ban penkenria agi basyong basa hathem yo maulong syaka kuota jong ka office ka Shillong Municipal Board kabadon R.san akar. Bat anshna ka building ka bathamai ban pensyong pensa ya berok lai spak saw ku artli kilong yeng ki bajudan berok syakata hathemetor. Ulong bayam mental IT ha katanat penroisor bahkan penkrea syua ya ka detailed project report bat hadin kani. On sekot ekran kinong yalam jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee. Ulong baka Harijan Panchayat Committee keladak ban menjur naduk ke basdang ke jengekran bat ke sorkar jela baki kloy ban mi nathem metor.
Mengai Minister Jongka Urban Affairs segat di officers nak kaliang Jongka Urban Affairs Shillong Municipal Board bat kumjuk ru nak kaliang Jongka Jongka Revenue nilai syong nilai kren nilai thirba ya hakabidei bat ka jaka haka bangin sna ya kaneka quarter jong kini ki perlok jongi ki basa angtai hapo Harijan koloni ke bingong hapo yo bolong te menta kasngi ngila sim ya karai bat kata karai kolong ba ya ka quarter jongki menta mdesu ban ong bangin lech satai TV hospital hamau pren den rekan dei baik menta haka ju ka jaka ka balasna yakin ki units bakin sa kini ki nongtre jong ka municipal board hakaba nginsna di ki multi-story building ban accommodate ia borok laispa sauku aryeng kini ki badon menta hangte apo iyo bolong te kabaar ngilaya rairu ba ka DPR ka detail ka DPR borok narusdong ban perkrek de ko Urban Affairs hakaba ngila ong iki sedang no thau no ya ka DPR ka haba ong ka DPR kamu nadu ka design nadu ka estimate bat ki detail nadong sedong khnang ba kinyo ban pha sya ka sarkar nakaliang jong sarkar begin le ya ka badot kam kata ka de ka bangi sim ya ka rai menta ka jabit bat ngakan men scam ba kani ka bangi sim ya ka rai kan long ka solution ka permanent solution mdei tang na ka benta jong ki bapri ki perlok jong ina Harijan ndei kan long na ka benta ka jemtoi ke jelame kela jong ibarok we
Aduh kamu akan mendapat ini berlegislatif dekat.
Api hakatu ka meeting ka ngisyong batki ngatrai pikan ma ba hak menungkong ke bar kiru ki menjur na ka benta ka relocation tamba kiru ki kwa hangno ke jaka Ti mentang ong pin nakaliang jongi ke government ngin sa pentip ban ngisa khot yaki ban syong meeting ngai ka ban kong hakane ke jingelang ka ngisong mentang ka jamit nakaliang jong ka department jong ka urban affairs department hadin ki ba bud teli ki banai ki ba lewat jaka keleng dengi syemba the most ideal place kan long be hakane ka existing place ka ba ladon lepa ka tu ka quarter nak mentai joki bakin syong kin sa kinong trei jong ka Shillong municipal board tenak radau ngopi ya kane mentang idang up satang ya kane ke DPR an ladeb nanta ngan sakot meeting bega ya kine ki harijan colony committee ba ngin ya pensyai ngin persekutu ngin syong lang bat ki kenang ba ngin nang ya proceed ya syapran ya kane ke jumut
Aku ngira potong bakan ni ke Simrai di Sarkar. Kali ni baru tiga minggu selong tahu perkara sepi di beras kita selong ke Sarkar tak dia juga.
Kam da dei kam ta te ho ya ke sentiment jong ki snong ki thang ni hapan take it into consideration ya kata ka de ke jisisha tin rai ha ka ju ka por pat ngong pi ka urban affairs department de dang ka daw bang ong pi ngi up shwa ngi up ba ka urban affairs department kan identify ke ge jaka ka biang dang ka daw mong pi ka beneng kong ngila sulbi ya katai ka TB hospital hang te ko bi biang ni tin rai andi ki wan ra shu sakawai pat namari satai seniu sulong la don ni ki jing ya kren kila don ni ki jing identify tin rai ha ba kedu ngi semba kan ni ke jaka ka existing ka bala don pa ka de ke jaka ka ba long most convenient bat ka ba biang tam na ka benta bangin house ya kini ki dong trei jong ka Shillong municipal board ha ka de jaka kan ni kam de ka Chelsea ba pintip kan ni kam de ka Chelsea ten rei na kaliang go komen ka atrai sanga bangan share ke dengan meeting bat ru bangin sim ya ka rai rengkat baru minister jong ka urban affairs ha ka ba today ko mo pi hadin minglayo lo di detail ngi sim ya ka rai bangin relocate yang ini perlu jongi ha ka ju ka existing quarter ka jaka ka beladap alot kerpang nam ta jongki ka badon kuma 2.5 acres te menta ngin demolish lening in penprai gitu kibarim ngin hapan sina da ki flood system ka bala belong san mala nriu mala nyau mala kat kum ka muda bylaws
Usumbut Menteri Rambak ke Jela ubak Preston Tunsong ulo ong ba ke Sarkar Jela ke lapan kre ban pha snano ia ke jingking yam ke bathamai bat ia mentahi kidang up ban yo ia ke detail project report dan ia ke DPR na ke consultancy ban yo penyak nyo syakmat ia ke kam ubak Preston ulo ong ba ke Sarkar ke IT haki consultant na ke bentaban kemi benya ban tei ke jingking ke bathamai ke badan harum jo ke jingking dam bat menta udang sena ia ke design bat DPR bat hadian kan ye on sakhat ia ke tender ban pha sena no ia ke jingking ke bathamai uba Preston uloong ba menshwa kladat ban itu ia ke jaka ban te ia ke jingking thamai na ke benta ke badan ke jaka kingling ju kijipai handrai ke Geological Survey of India kam shimla ai ke no objection certificate namar la dale ia ke blasting kalak ban keta ia ke jingking dam ke baladan lepa Uba Preston uloong baki pat ba kim dei banting ban ya leng ba ka jingking dam namar ka Sarkar klabu e ke jing mana bat jing pahra bat wat ke MECL ru ka khmi benya ya kini ke jaka
24/7 kila don lepa ki enforcement jongka transport nalor ki pulit ki enforcement jongka transport ki don 24/7 kam menit bagi don ke mereka tendensi kelomba kini yang illegal kundu dengan orang pi kim ju yatia kundu den dengan tip akan orang ti kita pai ba ki complain kena la don ko complain ngai ki ha kin in writing bengin suku mal ko mo pi ngila dispute kerpang ar angut ki enforcement por menit haduk mesti bakin monitor ya kan restriction ya kan ka we anti import
Tementah beda buat kena kejingking tu nomor komentar ada mi itu report bah kadon prank kejima bakal bakan kolaps. Terlalu pengen tweet nanti bakal Sarkar kan identify no akan cakap ke bertemai ban senai ke kejingking ke bertemai.
Ambil kata ni ngatai lah itu kan kalau mementang lah NK su consultant lah identify kategori kejingking downstream satu support dengan tu kejingking harga mementang undang senai ke design usnai ke DPR dia hadin jangan tak deh kamu ni saya kau tenda nak komentaran yok alternative bridge keluarga bala.
Start lupor kray kan sim yang
Kasyong mata sa ukot rotan mo pina mar of ling la engage ke haban later study na ka soil test don kam na ta ngi habio ru ka geological survey of India NOC ka ba kiru kin hapek la ka biang na kambiang ka kandeu long kita ki ka bampor hai tai manta then hadin to ka ki sesna ya ka decide ya ka dipat but kin sa submit pada support department ni nak ta ngin sa la MP mensuang sangi identify kadang-kadang hai cakap itu ba bukan kamu sipai kenal ke voting tu jaka tinggi laya hak survey ladep survey na sedong dia nangi pani ka views na pok geological survey dia kim ai ka NOC kiong ba mlong kade mala dengi le ka blasting na ta ka vibration kala ban affect ya ka existing bridge dia ultimately mentangi don na seti ko tingin pek kai ka ba kai pada report na ka geological survey dia la ka ai clearance ka bot ila stick yang ta daman mentangi la ada pa ila jikot yaki kota slash
Hakabede bagajing yo ya jing kitrok kit bar palat pot khamtam kitrok kit doyong nakajing kingdom uba prestun uloong ba baro arpusa kunta ki enforcement jokot na transport bat ki pulit ki ap hakani gajaka ban kemi bnia ba kitrok kenam kit palat pot bat laong ru bakan bahasibo ni kipat ba bakin ujor dak ba ada kajing tho uloong ba lapha apa hara khnang hakani kajing king ban penti kena ba kitrok kit mar kim dei ban kit palat ya ka arpotan bat la dal dan kinu kitrok ki bayo yat da ka baket palat put komta on le da ka bating ya ki ba apa hara ha ka jing kingdom
ba piang mena bakta ki enforcement ki don be ang ke adu kan pila men kenapa bagini ki enforcement kin check ki kali ki ba ket
palat pot
pat iya kan ni ndai tang ki enforcement na kalian kan palat pot ndai na kalian pulit dulu iya don lah bat ni pentingna bakalong ba kin don kenang kiru ban pentingna baka ka to order ka ban ka disruption kala ai ba kim dei ban cross ya ka apoto kata kadika intention ini bat ngamtip la don kanu ka beyond that tingla ban sim action ni gitu ki officers ke tingla dipu
ki brio ki pat ba am ta ki ting ki sir ba ka message man nakaliang jong pi
balik kinting ya kai kinting hiting speed na matakai ang sa yam tay ngopi technically kadang biang na daw ngi ong ba kan namar pingin patip haduk lanung indep ya kan ka alternative dan dai yam tay kay restriction ke bungai na kalian sarkar kulong batang arpo metriton bat din na daw ro mengibu hakapon menmit aptame ike enforcement armut banang ka hada ki police force bagin check ba indai manung ban cross ya kan ka arpo ton dan ada mga pi kim day batti mas mi kim ta ki day banyak kumayai namar ka sarkar ka technical team jongi ka don na tanah kalian ke misi alur ka study kini ki po namar pila da ka dukut ke jingking plus 2 kabun ngi kalai ladu di ko mga pi ya kan ni kim day bandun ke jingking smi namar ngi na kalian ka technical team ka don ka assess na dong sedong day na ka dauro mga pi hadin mengiyo ay ka recommendation na ka technical team ka baong ba la ko mo ngin day ban cross ya kan ka we arpo matric
Kinong setja jong ka midday meal hapo kalama jong ka All Jaintia Midday Meal Workers Union ha ka arpandai tri unailar kilawan tur ban penlong jingi ki hanang ba selong bandawan ka sarkar jela bat ka sarkar pedeng ban penkiu no ia ka tulop ka jong ki handrai ha kalai phuterek kila pensange no e jingi ki haba kila yo ye ki jingkular ba ka sarkar kan simkhia e ki jingdawa jong ki
ha ka arpandai tarik unailar arhajar arpuar Daki sepangut kinong setja midday meal bahapok kalama jong ko All Jaintia Midday Meal Workers Union kilawan tur sekanong ba asyolong hakaba kilalit bansyong hajan ke Additional Secretariat hendrai namar ka jing bamyo jing bit ni gibor penyat distrik lapha mi ino eki nega jaka bat hadian kani kilalit syong no akamat ke office trekam jong ke embos ban penlong ya ke jing ki ke ba arsingi ban dawai la ka hok uba ke pariat ubolong nong ai bot jong nega seng kinong setja midday meal ulong bagi nong shet kiyo tang si hajar tengka si benai kata kendai sepak tengka nak sarkar pedeng bat si sepak tengka nak sarkar jela bat lada pensyong dor hak sisni kalong laipo tengka ulong bagaseng kada wajur nak sarkar pedeng bagadai ban kentiu no saw hajar tengka bat bagi sarkar jela kadai ban kentiu no si hajar tengka kejing siu kenang begin yo kejing siu ke basan hajar tengka si benai kenang begin ginong shet midday meal kinlak ban kersyan yang lagi yang gisem bat kiloong ba kum magalong menta kim la asyu ban im da kabayo kejing siu kabasi hajar tengka bat bun kila syu im tang da kabasyu shimram Ulong bagaseng keladep banpa da kejing tho sya menteri rang ba du kari bad menteri rang ba kejela Meghalaya. Bandawa ban kentiu no ekene kepisa hendre du mata kem Melayu ekene kuno kejubab. Uba pariat ulong balada ke sorkar kala ban penlut khatsan kelur tengka ban penlong ya kita masa beper ha kejela. Kala dei ban ai no da kene kepisa ban siu ya ki kabalong pra ne kandai benai yagi nong syat jamit demil ha kejela kibran kat prahajar saus baksan penyungut. Nalor kani ulapan pauru ya kejing benyau bagi nong syat mit demil kim juyo ya kejing siau ha ubnai no pra bat kelalengkot. Ha ke sorkar ke aidau bagi digi benai ki bamlong skul. Ndrai kila ong pat bakalong ke belengo bagi no hikai skul ruk ki otulap ha kini ki benai.
Ya baro ki midday meal ko kajala pengkiu no sa khandai spa nakabaha jong ka sarkar jala. Te kata ka wai ka baar bengi ong ba hakini ki kini ki wajah ka ai government of India na banta speu banai pengkiu no nai so December ba January namar ba December ro ngidon ka ban pengkre ya ke Christmas hangni ki kok ngibun kidai ki ba duk barangli tingim ngidon kam pisa te hakani ka uni December dai ban ai u January bang dai ban yo pisa ban the ya uniform bat ki kot school ya ki khon ke jongi te nagta ka daw ngipan ni artli sakawai ka ba ngipan karpan ng government ba ngiyo iba ka sarkar ka ong ba penne iki penthung chibon tri gideng ikhna school nangta penne ka meram o manginyo ka leer hendra pheusi ka ipa ka long da khongpong ki khna school ki wan bam ja pat ka jasngi ki kalli ngi haban set ka ding bot runga hendra ka sarkar ka penslur ki noi ka gi kai pat banthung chibon ding te nak gini ki lai chali ki bakong santam bang ipan government khanang ba kala dai ka por lada ke sarkar kam jubam ne kan nam ai ka bang ipan ngi karpar ret te ngiong ya ka sarkar ba ka baha ba kani ka midday meal scheme ne ka PM portion kadai ban sange trekam no na jala Meghalaya namar ngiyo iba kani ka scheme hakani ka jing arthos nam tam ki midday meal ko ki bon kilong kme Kandai punya nak ispak ke kilong kami. Jika kilong kami kila set sisa ka jakum kilong kami kedon kim kuikon. Te ndrai hakawai pat kapan seluruh pat kilong kami bakin long kiba kinong kerong. Kisah aram hakibon kidukan namar menti kena kajing se honorium. Kabaar pat kilamba katkum kajing yakran gikok kijongi kilong kami hamtam. Bon kila long kisengal mother. Na kibra sa ilong. Tang nagadang ba kiktray ka ne kam kimyo pisa ti kana te kapan seluruh pat ya kata kabanta bakin long kibam dong loksho te kene kata kadang indong ba kani kasen kadai ka khaddo bangin yele ban im naka sarkar ka ong ba pendo no midday meal scheme na jala Meghalaya ba ka jo ka por ngir im lai loj no kum kinong tarai kum kinong song sunong madam ngihaban im na mata ko ban pendap bang te kata kadai ka kajing ya keren kajing lap ka jongi menta bat chief minister bat ngi khimi gadon kajing kerman menta gasngi heji sangi dai ban syong hang te ka additional secretariat ngila pan ya ka permission ng bagat ka deputy commissioner te hado men step ngi kapat yo akti ya kata ka order hangno ki ai te dai ngila ngi depan tingi syong hang te ndrai kat bangidang syong hang te ki dan hi ki nagaliang ki police ki ba wan hala wan ki kerkat yang ngi ba pikani ka dai ulang bian te ngi ong mangimdai ki reu bian ngiwan hang ni ban song jai tena kata ras ngi bah ai lat ini ban sha namar ngila thangan te kani ga ngila pan bo application ka DC hendrai ngimyo te tendrai pokot tong em kani la long bian phia ban le tengim ban se ngi ong ikini ki police lada ngiyo i khot khobor menta ngiyo i khot khobor baro ba urang ba police uba pidan ujong pi urang ba police ula film dagi police yau police kilap u bam ya kapisa pendon kam ya takabor itu kali ki ai auto umday babian balai bim kem ya auto balai bim khandra ya auto balai bim be suspend ya auto te yang ipan ki ba long jai ki long kemi ki long pa ba nang ne ki ba don hok ban pan piong bilong bian piong ngi persya ke section 144 CRPC te habakot te umla ban kadane iro ta lawan ki magistrate te ki karpa yang ngi tingi ong to nginwan hang bensong ya jeka tambang imlet prat tangkata ngiyo ige sarkar jella kale lagi pheulak ka panlon ban ban pen itanat ia ka sor selong ban itanat ia ka juai ke nong stone gitu ra baro diki paula ka palon dai tang garong phong rayangi bai tang si khandai spa ngipan ngimdan hok ban seo na mataw Disember jan rim dah hok jan ringin seo ngin gidon kam pisa ban the juti ban the uniform diki khun hatong ngimdan hok ma ban pa ni kata tenata ka daw mo haya baro ka jing kran jong gi kok baro ngi pohe ka banta ba ka jing sansar jong ka sarkar jalla manta nehe gini ka posnam iman bangi ki kok imdai sho ki bariu imdai sho ki nong song snong jong garin India ba ka jalla ni khlia te ha ka jing khain ka jong ngi dapai ngi kandet namar ba ngi pan tang siajar si banai na ka sarkar jalla ka ba ladangi sim kanik siajar kin aya ki khat phra jar sanspa sa phonyo ngut ki midday meal kok kata khat so kulur kala adab namanta phra khandai banai tenta kada kanne ka jing ka sarkar imat ba kan pen sneu sho yangi ki kok bat ki khon ke jongi namar ngyo i kita masa manta kimdan ka discipline kamdan ka jing kadan kata kate bru tu belai kamdan rai tang ka jing ya di kiat ka jing ya penjat i ki khon ke jongi bat ka jalla ni ha ka jo ka por ka dei tang ka ban pen kelat yangi ya ka ai ke ba jing le bakala jing ka sarkar ten ka daw na ka liang ka jongi ngi ong ai dawa namar ngi dai ki nong pentrai ka scheme jong ka sarkar India ba ka jong ka jalla namar ka future ka jong ki ka jalla jong i dai khna school te ngi don hok ban pan ayang ini khat saw kulur ya kata kita masa phila ban le diki bai pat kilat kelanti kata
Hakalai pui terek unailar ka All Jaintia Midday Meal Workers Union kala pensang eno ekijing ki hadien ba u Commissioner Secretary jong ka Puli Puthi u Dr. BDR Tiwari bat u Director Katnat Puli Puthi u Ambro CH Marak kila pentep ba ha ka khatwai terek menta u benai kila pha da ka jing tho bat jing a jing mot ia Katnat Finance bat Katnat Planning ban kentiu no e ka bainong kinong shet ja na ka sispa tengka ja ka 8,000 tengka man la u benai na ka baha jong ka sarkar jala bat 6,000 tengka na ka baha jong ka sarkar pedeng bat kan long baro 1,000 tengka si benai u menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad K Sangma ha si pale jong ka tayo ula kren da ka basai kedar ba ka sarkar kanum la shu ban pen kala ya ka memorandum of understanding ka bakla dep ban ya soi bat ka jala Assam ha ka day bat ka jing penbet yo put usam u bela sateng mentala palat san posnem
Ya ka soskular ka beladap menyasoi hakmat menteri korbari ke sarkar Pedeng ha ka day ba ka jing penbet puat ha Pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya on omla asyuk ban kala dalai namar kani kam dai ka kam kelung kena ya ka beladap bandong nadu pas sedang hadin ke jing soi ka soskular halor ka jing penbet puat jong ka wat ka baar ya kani loong do menteri rang ba ka jela Meghalaya u Conrad Kongkal Sangma ha bakran bat ginong tho kubor ha bernihat Ulia thoru bagajing dawa ban penkala ne penbet di kumwei ya ke soskular kam dan setia kanu ke ba idon kam henrei la bandan tangkat tu kani kejing penbet yaka ha ke bedai pat bat kawat ke baar ban sedang penbet puat kajing dawa ba kita kisnong ken ha Meghalaya ne bandet Assam on patla ban cimrai menta namare kani ke kam on sedang shwa ban jurep bat ban penbet henrei kom balakular ban sengap ke surupat ba bat ban buram ke jing shisha kat kum ki kaipot ya kani ansalea ha kawai berkaliang u Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip pat ba bahalor ke jingdawa ban kentiu kerdan civil subdivision bat bantau ke CNRD block na kaliang ke sarkar jela kadang hab ban pet kat kum ka jingdan pisah ke sarkar hendrai ha kabedai bagi jingdan kam ban kentiu kerdan ya ka patar khama sya ke civil subdivision ya kini ke sarkar jela kan buah khamat ya namar kani ke administrative unit kadai ke bela dai hok ban yono e ke jing kentiu kerdan sya ke civil subdivision.
So we have been very clear from day one that the MOU has been signed and there's no question of changing that. Apart from that, of course, there are certain smaller issues that need to be ironed out, and we will explore the option of finding out if there's any way to accommodate or look at some of the areas which may be just close by. Some adjustments can be made, but in principle, whatever has been decided has been decided. So I have been very clear from day one of this entire talks that this is a problem where we have seen for the past 50 years people of the state from both sides have been suffering. And hence we were very clear in our mindset that we need to resolve this problem. A lot of governments in the past tried, but they did not really take the step further. Discussions were made, but no concrete step was taken. So therefore, we took that concrete step, and I should say it's a historic one, and it was something that was long pending. While we started working on this, we also made it clear that we will not be able to find a perfect solution. There's never a perfect solution in complicated situations like this. But we assured the people that we will find the best possible solution that is there. And if you look at the entire MOU and if you look at the entire way it has been implemented, the state of Meghalaya has gained in a large number of places, and maximum of the villages where we had put on our demand have come to us. Maximum demands that we had from our side in terms of critical spaces and locations, like for example the cemetery and the graveyard in Maikuli, for example the football field in Maikuli. These areas have come to state of Meghalaya, and many other locations which are very crucial and critical for the people's perspective have come. Are there areas of concern? There will be. As I said, it's not a perfect situation. There are two states, and we have to keep in mind both the states, and accordingly we have to move forward. So that's the way it will be, and as I said, there's no question of us reviewing or revoking the MOU. This the Block 2 area and the Block 1 area, and the rest of the 6 areas, which is Bordwar, Motowar, and Langpi, Block 1, Block 2, Handuli, Pisiar. These 6 locations, the talks have only started now, and therefore it will be not correct to jump to conclusion and say this is coming and this is not coming. Let the talks proceed. The committees will be formed and announced very, very shortly. And once that is done, they will go and inspect those locations and speak to the people and the stakeholders. And then the process will start. So we should not jump to any conclusion. But I just want to send the message to everybody that we are very serious about resolving this, and we will move forward in this discussion. And as I said, we have seen that people of these areas have suffered for too long, and we are firm and determined to find a solution to this long-pending issue.
Regarding the West Aman,
there are demands for almost 8-9 local subdivisions and almost close to 10 to 12 new blocks, some districts, and all of these have financial impact on the state, and hence we will have to examine each and every one and look at the overall financial impact on the state. So definitely we will examine it in a very positive manner. In Patharkama area, of course, it's been an administrative unit for a very long time, and therefore we will positively, we will examine it in right earnest. This area is very neglected, is very economically backward, and the people have to travel for long distances to get basic services. All these factors are being kept in mind, and definitely we will examine this demand in a very positive manner.
Thank you.
Kum kadak ban persyak jor dia kejing soy sekolah ke Jela Meghalaya bak Assam halor kejing penbet yu put usam haksi pele jo kata yau kah New Trap Youth Council kala penlong ya kejing ya pajba hapat harkma Ribhoi District hakba deki spangut kilawan bani shembenta
Kasur jing dawa ban pengelabiyang ya kasos kular belai soy hap dengka Assam ban Meghalaya na kajingnya penbet puat agawat banengkong. Kalanang sawajam hadir beginong elam kah New Trap Youth Council HYC gila penlong da kajingnya patba hapathar khama. Da kabara aru di gijing tho ban persya ek sorkar Jela bat bandawa banwan ra abyang ya kisnong lengkong bat Jibri Gaun syapok Jela Meghalaya. La ban kedau bagani kejing mi ki nong elam ke HYC ban penlong ya kani kejing at patba kalong ru sibenta kejing kop jong kaseng ya gibor ke sorkar Jela Meghalaya. Kentup nadu menteri rang ba ke Jela bat ka kenun menteri kibaran hapok ki regional committee banyatai patba halor kejing penbet puat akawat ke beningkong. Hababon teli gejaka kila syapan hap syaka Assam. Ha kani kejing at patba bat kejing elang patba ha pathar khama. Lawan bani sibenta di kinong elam ke HYC berkentup ya Uba Robert Jun Karjaren Presiden uba Roy Kupar Senrem General Secretary, uba Rahembor Saibon, ba Donbok Lang Kharlingdo, ki Vice President, uba Jason L Nongrum, Presiden ke HYC Riboy District, uba Najim Kharmalki, Presiden ke Western Riboy Darbar, nalor kiwe-kiwe. Haba keren ke jingalang patba hadian ka jingyat patba. Ginong keren kila kentok da kebetenge ek sorkar MDA balalam kemat do Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Lembat ka kenhun Menteri Jong-u da kebakeno bakila syuli lam ki jaka jong ki makhasi. Syaki bor jong ka Asam klem da buram syo wat ki jing pensisha leng baki kot kisla ki bladon nadu ki menbarim. Da kinong lam hima ki raj bat ki makhasi. Bat ka jing sngo jong ki patba nong syong snong ha ki tan kaput. Kila penpau badang syan ke kaseng HYC hadian kejing penlong kejing ilang patba hanong ston halor kejing persya ekoskular. Nrai lami penban kejing kentok kela bagaseng kalek kamsan pertai halor kene kamat. Hagabaidai bagani kinong ilam ke HYC kila pensyai bagaseng kadon ila kanong rim ke baskem halor kene kejing persya ekoskular. Bat igani lanang penskem hadian kejing mi jong kinong mi kamat patba ka Rambrai constituency kibal penpau kejing angnut bagi tu kijaka kibla sya kentop sya Asam daiban penpai biang sya Meghalaya. Uba Roy Kupar Senrem haba keren hakilat patai kubor ula penrem jor ke sorkar jela kibla syukur ki patba da kebakam bai kene kejing penbet puat agawat ke beningkong. La pendap kat kum ka kaipot jong kesenam Arhajar Katway. Nrai kejing sisha kam syemlong kum ta ulong hakaba ula benrap banamar kat kum ka RTI kabaliok da keseng la pausyai baka sektor 6 ha bakla para hariboy kapan pausyai bagi snong kita wakane ke sektor idang dai banhap sya Meghalaya. Nrai ke sorkar jela kalai lilam penban ya ke snong lengkong bat Jibrigaun sya ka Asam. Ulong syo bakum balakam da Menteri Rangba ba ka jinge penbet pot la pendap da ka bapet benia ya kimat. Kibadan kam kata ban paish ki kot kisla badan ki hima bat ki raj bat ka jinglong jingman nado ki por ki bamenchwa ne ki historical facts bat ban buram ke jing sngo jing ki patba ki badi ki nong song snong aga jaka kapot nrei ula kado ba yakine baro lakran lamler do Menteri Rangba ke jela. Syuru na kaliang kinong kran na kanigasi kladawa bagi sorkar jela kadeban kemi benia abiang ya kesos kular belesoi ya pedeng ke Asam bat Meghalaya hakamat ke sorkar pedeng. Namar bawat ya kariti sensyariru la ban penkelabun sien balai mla ya kene kesos kular. Bat ba kajinge penbet puat akawat kebaar kam desyo ban bakla kumbelaja hakawat ke beningkong. Kam tam ban buram bat kenkor ya kajing sisha kat kum kikot kisla bat kajing sngo jong kinong syong snong hakatan kaput.
Konrad Sangma! Konrad Sangma! Konrad Sangma! Preston Tensang! Preston Tensang! Preston Tensang!
Ba ngim persya ya kata kajingnya penbet ya uput. Mereka ai kebangi ngi persya kadai kajingnya penbet ya uput klem jingbut renti ya ki kendon bat ikikot kisla. Ya lor kata kanong rem ke kumbangi ong ba ka HYC kanget ba kadai bandon ka fair play. Kamdai boong bat ngin kren tang mengi kiwei ki jusngam. Ti hakani kisngi baladap ngila khot da ka baai kilat ku patai kubor. Ya ka open debate. Akabang ngila khot ya chief minister ya ki minister bat kumjuru ya baro ki MLA kiba kersyane kani ke MOU bakin wan hakmat jong patba bangiru ngin kren makiru kin kren bat ai ba patba unrai ba menu badai bat menu balad tek basusi kolong bah kani kesngi akabang ngila bu ya katarik bat kapur ban pelong ya kani ke open debate hang ni po patar khma po jirang constituency jong Riboy district ngila ap adu si kenta naman ngibu ya kapur khat RBJ ngisdang ya ka jingelang ka jongi ya kapur si beje tam ne ka basusi kolong bawat uwe MLA la ne utaw nong kersyan ya kata ka MOU la ne minister wa chief minister ki khamshim lawan tina kalayang jo kaseng kumbang ilapan bana ba walakiwan ne kimwan ru ka jingelang ka jongi ka jing persya ka jongi ya kane ka MOU beriti kan ya chakmat bat ngila pelong ya kane ka jingelang ha bang ngila pensutu pat ba bat ngila peniru ya kikot kislah khmat jong pat ba babalai ka sang HYC kampediang ni kanik MOU beriti bat kabanengkong e ka bangi kwa ru ban kren ka basay bat ka bangila kren khmat jong pai ba kalong ba Konrad Sangma nakapor sa kapor uong ba kani ka jing penbet put ka ba maula le ka dai bet thik na kikot kisla jong taw snam arja khatwe deka hadin ban kaliang jong ka sang ngilawat ya ka RTI ban pan ya kita ka report jong snam arja khatwe ngilap bala dengi pet ya ka sector 6 ka umut hapok bakla para sektor ka sorkar Meghalaya usnam arja khatwe ka ong babaro kisnong ka bakentup ya ka lengkung bat ya ka jimrigau kidai banwan cepok Meghalaya nela dengi pej pang ya ka MOU ya ka balasain do u Konrad Sangma bat u HBS lanu Himanta Biswa Sharma ngilap ba ya ka jimrigau bat ya ka lengkung laai cepok Assam tika jingkeli ka bangi kwa ban keli u Konrad Sangma lada piong ba ka labis ya kata ka jinge penbet put kat kumur ka report jong snam aja khatwe balai pat kini ki artli gisnong ki hap apa mega ki hap chopo Assam tingi kwa banya syai halor kita ki namar mau ong ki udon ki kot kisla ngiru ngidon ki kot kisla tingi kwa banya syai kata andre nakaliang ka jong ki khlamwan Konrad Sangma ka jinge kren ba ka jinge kendu ki seng balang ya ka bangiru ngilalet ulah kren ka bosyai ba ka sorkar kan penbet yo put usam kat kum ki santli ki principal Ndrai ka bagsusi kalong baklembut ya kini santli ki principal ndrai la pensyong nong rembet tang ya kawe ka principal kata kalong ba kinong syong snong hagitu ki jaka kinrai la on le cha Assam ne on wan cepok Meghalaya ndrai ngikren ro kada bahasa banong bakani ka jingle kalong ka babakla namar ki babu ni ki snong ki badon hakini ki riu tli ki sektor ya ka bala penbet menta kidai ki snong jong ki hima kasi watla ki syong de ki garu ki syong de ki mikir de ki coach de ki rabha Riki dapat ka jaka jong ka khendo ka siap jong ki makasi. Ta ka jingkeli ka bangi kwa ban keli Konrad Sangma. Kalong bakum nu unong syong wai, unong syong thap, unrai. Baka jaka jong hi makasi kan le cha Assam ne kan wan cha Meghalaya. Kata kalong ka bom syong nong rem bat ka bangim la ban pediang. Bet dei halor kata nong rem ru. Baki hi makasi ngiyo iba ya ki hi makasi khlem khot lane khlem kenjok ketien shwabu unlet ban sign ya ka MOU bat u chief minister jong ka Assam tingim la ban pediang ya kani kajing penbet put ya kani ka phase 1 bat ngila kentu bat ngidawaru no UCM baka phase 2 la da kalong ban ya chakmat kadai ban ya thik kat kum kalenti ka badai ka umut basantli principal dai ban pentrika mi kita ki santli principal balada piong ban pet ya ki kot kisla kidai ban pet ya ki kot kisla bat pensyong norem ya ka historical facts ka umut baki snong ki badai hi jong ki himakasi jong ki ilaka kasi kidai ban wan pai la ne ban syong ban hap hapo Meghalaya om ban aj po Assam wat lada ki syong ki rabha ki coach ne kinu ki jai ban riru lada ka jaka ka dai jong himakasi kadai ban wan chapo himakasi let's say kani kan dai ka jing senang ya ka bang magi khot kelada Konrad Sangma usngau ba ukwa ban ya debate halor kani ka phang lani ki minister ki jong u lani ki MLA ki jong u ki bakrashan ya kani ka MOU ki kwa ban ya debate ban ya tai ngilong ki balak koloi pi penkrek ma pi ka jaka pi penkrek ma pi ka por ba ka sngi ngilong ki balak koloi ndre tanggo wi kwa ban kren ka basai kamdai hapo sekretariat kamdai hapo ke kamera ki bangine syong tang para mangi kadai bandai ahmad jong pat ba bat ai bu pat ba unrai baka dai ke sorkar ya balasai ne kani ke MOU ne gidai mangi ki bangiyo ngi pensyong nongrem na ki kot kisla ki bo Konrad Sangma hi Ukraine bat uong bo ubi siki
U menteri ki kampo yeng jong jela ba la kemen remboi ha ka sitri unai lur ulo ong ba ka sorkar jela kala yo pediang ya ka kaipot na ka fact finding team kabalati bnia ya ka jingkeno ba additional inspector general administration uba jiki yang rai ula pendan kam bakla ya ka bor ka jong u ka sorkar kalapan jing pensai halor ki kat tu kat ni ki benta khnang bakan yo ban sim ya ka rai ka ei ka bakadei ban le nang ni sakmat Ba lakmen remboi ula ong ba ka fact finding team kaladet ban IT ya ka kaipot sa katanat kampo yeng ha ka lai potre unai lar bat menta kadang kmi bnia ya ka ni ka kaipot bat ha ka joko por kelapan ru igijing pensai ha ka bede bat kat tu kat ni kimat ula ong ba hadien bala yo igijing pensai ka sorkar kan sale ya ka badan kam bat kat ba ompat yo igijing pensai ompat la ban ong la ka don ne em ka jing pendan kam bakla ya ka bor U menteri ulo ongru bala dadan kanu jing le tam da manu re manu onda la debiet benya ka sorkar kan sale ke badan kam kat kum ki kendon an bat ka sorkar kam kwa ban buri e kanu ke kam la dadan ki bale tam ne duna bat on ya bet kat kum ka an henrei hab ban ailat ye ki besak keno bakin jubab ni ai ke jing pensai
ka report ki la dep submit saka home police department ka home police department kadang page bini ya ka report but ban pan ya ki clarification kat ki ba don halor jong report hadin kata ka e ka ban le anda yo ya ka clarification ka sarkar kan le ya ka berengkap
dong kat muka jing songko dong pi ha ka report kadon na bono ong ba kadon ke jing penon kam bakla ne kamnon kata jing penon kam bakla
ya kata baro ka report ka aya ka fact finding ka ka bakilap hadin kata kumang ong mene ngirang pan pat ki ki clarification te yamanta ngan ong yepi ba kilap ya ka jiplan kam bakla nekatai ngamla ban ong ndai tang kan ko we ka report ka baki submit min haban pe ne but ni hab ban pule balada don kano ka jingletam damano remano ondala de yidnia ta ka sarkar kan le ya ka kam katkum badeki kendon jong ka ai
la de thung ya taka kendon toket atau new officer bullet bosak kena undang beteng menteri ka kamyon sa suspend so ka kadang ya ke toket bosak iki kena yo
ya kata ya menta nganam pat ong ai tenga ondala poi kita ki juba baro ki ba ka sarkar kan pan hadin kata ngan pe ya ka ke ba ni de banle
Menteri Kepuli Putih Ubak Lakmen Remboi ula pentip baka sarkar pedeng keladep ban pelat ya kepisah ka balong arspa nyopu poin lai sau klur tengka haka khat nyoterik unailar na ka benta ban siu ya ketulop jong kinong hikai school sarva shiksha abhiyan lene nong hikai SSA ki badan haka jela ulong ba hadu menta ompat yo ekani kepisah bat lakmi lenti ba hapo kani katayo ni hakatayo ban wan on yo no kepisah kenang ban yo siu no ketulop jong kinong hikai SSA ulong ru ba lemba kani kepisah ka ba sarkar jela kan yo na ka sarkar pedeng lakmi lenti ba on la siu tulop kinong hikai SSA na ka benta nriu benai
ka sarkar pedeng ha kan yo tri ubna ekos arhajar arpuar kala sanction ya ka makhlia arspa hanyo fuar point life sau klur ka badai ke recurring but non recurring expense nak SSS fund ka badai ke first installment hanrai hadu menin kasni ka fund ki par release ka sarkar makhlia te ngakramen bah kan ka tiyeu lane hakana tiyeu banwan ka sarkar pedeng kan pelai ya kan ka pisah ka sarkar kena bangin lai ban petulun ni kam kiwede hapo ka SSA program nakade ka pisa namar bakadon baka recurring but ka non recurring expenses andala minus kamut henry benai kandat mar bakadon sebat saka state fund lor kan mar bakadon sekat tukat ni state fund te henry benai kan biang yani
kami sokok mensa sarkar tak pernah makan air nak betlok bertemai ini kena hikai SSA atau kini kepisah ka bos nyok baka makan air sarkar kan kodor penyat yang ni minta
ya mkan ka fund ka dina menta ban siu ya ki program jong ka SSA badai ka tulop ne ka basiu na menta ba kini ki running expenses la ne ba kini kita ka de ta baro jadi ka daw nga ong ni piba onda ka sarkar India kan pelai ya kapisa sanction la sanction ba kapisa kan pelai dah pelai pisah tapi sa pelai ya ka tulop bat ngakramen skem bakan ka tulop kandat nga ka benta hindu benai
namar ka jingbam so ya hab ya ka kam rang ba snong ban bat deki garu ka Trap National Youth Movement HNYM kaladawa na u acting CM jo himam lim uba aina manik CM badai ban weng no mardor ki garu ki ba kam ba ki deki rang ba snong ha uput usam jong karat marwet Ribhoi district
ka Trap National Youth Movement HNYM kaladawa na u acting CM ka himam lim badai banweng no mardor ki garo ki balakam miladia bagi digirang ba shnong hapo uput usam ka himam lim kata hagarat marwet u presiden ke HNYM uba Louis Dong ulong ba keseng ka aipor artayo u acting CM banweng bat penduk sanat yagi garo ki belalong rang ba shnong ha ki arpu prat ligi shnong hagarat marwet uba Dong ula benrap da geboong bagi garo kim dan hok ban kam nelong rang ba shnong namar kat kum hukum jong district council Syaiki ban long kirang ba shnong Shushu ula kentho bagi ni kirang ba shnong garo kila pendon kam baklai ke bor jonggi da ke bayade thiet jaka bat kiwei pat ki breu ki brei na sabar bat kila shim kabu ke jing tolot bor ke hima wala keladon kaan ban khang persya bagi trairi kemla ban dia jaka ski menderi nrei ulaong bakumno kini garo pat kila ban dia ki jaka
kan bakai ke bas nusi kalau ba balai ka sang hapa da kani ka shiti sha usim ka himamlem kalau ba hadien bin alap kini kijing le pe an jadi ke garo bolong orang ba sna hapo uput usam jong ke hima khasi Kani no objection certificate. Pila yosga kat kum kani ka order jong British Council mo bakam sya yaki bakin long kirang basno. Dan rai kini ki garo ki penarkam naga sil jong hetman rang basno. Hang ne po pilang kata village Durbar ke bahap po River District Hatem Marwat. De hadin mengila alap kini ki kot kisla ke bakham sno si shu ka long ba kini kirang basno thak. Ki bangila manom kini ki jat garo kila penakam baklaru ya ketika bor jongki hadin barakang bakimla makam rang basno kiadi ya thiet jakaru sha ki manderi poiwer poiha une u lembu sukumar lembu udie jaka sha une usubal kumar bauri kaba lakhang persya katkum kalan transfer act 1972 jong jala Meghalaya ha ke section kebalai bat kebandrio lakhang persya aba ki non tribal kimla bandi dia jaka non tribal undi non tribal mla bandi jaka hari kumno kini ki garo tang namar bala thong iki kinong paniat sino kila ban dia jaka sikini ki menderi poiwer poiha dan agaliang kesang hi ngisngau bakani kedai ki pen khen jong kini ki jat pendreu garo ki basim kabu ya kecing telat bor jong ki hima lapan scam approve yapi warendro marak kumno paniat sino jong kasnong model village ke bahap po sam juga rai Marwat la perskam ya ki tangkum kinong paniat sino bat ka ke ba ngis kau lengo par kalong ba usim ka hima melem ba kini usim rai Marwat ru kim don jing tip ikene ke jing de be an jing ki garo ikene ki jaka chumi ki don lang ki garo meneh tu ngila akaran batang nak kalyang juga sang ba kidai ki kini ki garo ba kila bande kini ki jaka ki puta jumi ka jai bendre ko jumi ni kum kasang nila keno ru bakane ka de ki tuat jong hima melem hadu baka hima hadian bakal apan khamti kata ke jinglong no paniat sinong ka hima kam syam la budel bah ka ba bon ba ki NOC ki no objection certificate ka ba kini gerang no paniat sinong garu kila isu be cheki mandia da ki spa atli ki dukan ba ki isu NOC baraka juk kopor ya ka trading license ru ngamtep ka council kumno ka isu trading license halor kani ka jing isu jo kini kino paniat sinong garu kalau contradict dalam dia mo ka order ka ba permi ke council kalau ba mbet ban ba pin pendarkam ya ka sil lane kum kirang ba snong kan kam kirang ba snong kat ba maki ndagila thoi kan osi bala san do tau hetman ke council ka issue ya kata ka trading license ha ka ba na kalian sang lama hamjur ya ka hima melim ka de pendok pendam no nadu mentak sini ya kene ke jinglong ram ba song garo managaliang juga hima melim kila kulang hikmat sungi kesang ba ken penduk pendam no ikene kising long ba sno ba ka ke ba ki ka sultanat kalong ba ki ong ba menta nimbo no da ke circle hetman ka ba mod ba kitu kisnong khat south li kisnong ge ba ha badan ki dong song garo ka mod ken hab le sim certificate no na kirang ba song kasi ke badan haki we pat kisnong tekene kalong bam sok khanjat ya kene ke cik pen ko bor ya kene ki nong kipat jat pen garo
Kumsi bentaban penklan ya kaseng All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya bat kumjuru ban ajing kersyane ka kertong ka bani aireng na ka North Shillong constituency ka kong LG Warenja hakala asu iblay jong tayo arpulay ngut kinong yalam na kiseng baper kila let ban penyeso bat ka AITC Meghalaya
Former Finance Secretary State Yurving Jongkapinap yang Buromi Asia ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress
Kau All India Trinamool Congress ha Meghalaya hak arp kundai trik unailar arhajar arpuar kelap pedang buram yaki arpulai ngut kinong yalam na kiseng baper ki bagentop na ka UDP ke BJP ka khnam bat ki wikiwei ke belon ban pinesok no ilade syak All India Trinamool Congress ya kini ki arpulai ngut la pedang buram na ka kertong ke North Shillong constituency ikong LG Warenja rengkat kinong yalam bat ki dekhot jong ka AITC nalor ki weipat U Vice President ke AITC uba James Lingdo habakran na kene jinglang pedang sobha ulong bakini ki bawan peneso sya kene keseng mentai ki daitang kinong yalam ban nadu mentai ki long try ha kene keseng ukermen ba ka jingon peneso joki sya kene keseng san perthai bakini yo menetrai lang bat ban beteng ki kam na kapor sya kapor Kumjoru akan dikasingilap yang buram ikin rungut ki breu ki bam jutre ban thak vot ha kinu kinu ki seng san perthai ndrei mentaka kenti kilawan ban peniso eladia syak seng AITC
Kinongkit kam jong ka khnam ki bala wan ban penyes no ban ka parti ka jongi ka Trinamool Congress kalong iba Andrew War ibalong ro i President Youth City jong ka khnam iba Vijay Lingdo ibalong i Finance Secretary State Youth Wing ka khnam iba Rudolph Kongpai ibalong i member jong ka khnam iba Yohanes Dingdo ibalong i member jong ka khnam iba Gilbert Dakhar ibalong General Secretary jong ka BJP 17 North Shillong Mandal iba Hamiki Mangyang ibalong i Assistant General Secretary State Youth Wing but General Secretary Khanyu North Shillong jong ka khnam na 2000 khatlai ha 2000 khatra kabaphala hakane ka kenti kisnam ki balalai ki parti ru ki bangir nya dan bentaman syabat nilami no nak kita ki parti henrei niyo banya selok berkat tu kan ni ki prolog nak jayau unit area kita kira ki bam ju tap vote kim ju vote ya kanu ka parti bat ngada smos kemen hado kata ba nak jingseng ya ka parti Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress ha ka jela ka jongi ki wan banyas no tilang kita ki nota voters ikong Bandela Malinyang ikong Bandarilen Malinyang Ipisa Belen Kharpuri, Maria Mutlang Kharpuri, bat iba wan job rapsam bana maulai. Kumjuru ngiyo ban priang buram yaki maulai nong mali members, kita ki day napok ka Congress, ka UDP bat iknam supporters, ni priang buram ro yaki leader jong ka maulai nong mali iba baleno kat ko irodi rani. Bat kumju iba Bashai bok nong bri ibalong member jong ka BJP maulai nong mali ila resign nakakam. But ila join but ki members ki jongki haka parti jungi Trinamool Congress mentas ni.
Ngapriang buram haka keteng jong Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress yafi baro sya kane ka parti ka jongi bangi nyatrelang long try haka ni ka parti pilaya sign ni ki enrollment form long try ngindang ya beteng nya ki kam nangapor sa kapor badru kadon kuno kejing bamsu tu kejong pi apa piadan kini ke parti so bahawan banyak kendo ingi nganak pensai sisu pat kawai ke bangakwa pan ong wapila join ini parti tong nyetrei sistem am tang na bantakan not Shillong piadan ki bahaya ngesem piadan ki perlok perjor am tang hakane ka constituency piadan sya bar jong ka constituency sya kisnong ki thau sya kiwei pat ki constituency so bahaya trelang Erpat mar kini ki bawan menta kidai tangki leaders kidai tangki nong yelam ngai ka jingket bok kerwiang ye kiru ba kindon kemet ke phat ke baklan basat banginang persiang ru baginang ye kringsu sya ki yakwe ki members ki jongki ki ba kidon haki sen ki ba fair ba kinang wanyelam yangi banonyelam lang sya kini ke parti ke jongi
Banyak syakmat kat kum kejing yahat jong kejuk kubamta, kahima melim kalasim ya kesinjam, banwan ra kejing sengan jugi nong di bagi nong tiet nong pet hayu do, hakba hakasi hat majai, kalapli ya ki kor CCTV bat ya ki PA system, hayu do, bat labu ru ya umau nong rim, bante ya ke yo batmai hayu delang, ban pensuk ya ki nong di bat ki nong tiet.
Chief Executive Member Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Titas Starwell Khan ulapre ki kor CCTV ka PA system bad ulabo imau nong rem bantai thamai no ya ka yodelang ka badan hayodo bad ulapre ru ya ka jakale aniam hayodo ka balada ban penbha ha kini ka jingalang ledon lang ka Executive Member ka bakmi ya ka market ikong Grace Mary Kharpuri Executive Member bakmi ya ka kai pateng uba rangken sai Kharbuki Executive Member bakmi ya ka ilaka uba Jamborwar Acting CM ka Himamaliam upa IM Aina Manik CM ki menteri bat ki bakrau ka Himamaliam upa IM Aina Manik CM uluong babarosh kata kiladan ki kamsnio ki balaja hayodo bat kalong ka bakongsan banbo ikikor CCTV bat kikor pensawa kanang banwan ra ka jingsingan uluong basyan on sateino ka yog pathamai hayodelang kabanong lai mala badia manta antay syuatang ya ka ground floor ha ka jinglot kemankot shiklur tam balubo por mansna pendap bapo andro benai bad ikimala ke barangsa on satay hadin uba titos Starwell Khan uloong babun kisamla ki uot ya ka jing bamyo okam Kumta ka yodo ka diban long kalat ban ai kam ai jam iki samla ban ulong bagi try dukan ke diban shim tino halade ban peniat iki dukan. Balada kimla ban peniat ji ke diban ai tino ke hima melem kenang ban yo ban ai ti ki samla ke ba klem kam klem jam baki yo ban sengkam. Uba Titus Starwell Khan yung loong ba ka council kalakang ban penon kami ki plastik. Bar ulama ham ban pak penlong ya ke jing kenra bad ladalap iki belek persya onle da ke beteng e. Bad ladadai ki bamdei khasi ki ba yelek persya kini kejeng mana on hab ban penduk sendon ya ka trading license jongki. Nalor kini ulong ba ke hima meliam ka diban penti kena ban omdon ki ba dia kiat persi ki ba khalai ni ki balek ki kam auria. Kenang ba ka yodo kan om syak pen buat nam. Ban ula kenturu ba diban penlong ya kejeng pen khut yo mana kapor ban wanra ya kejeng khut jeng suba.
Nakaliang ka council nila ay ka approval but nasukmen ba nakaliang jong CM ulah pendap ya ke pangilai keren. Bagi nilai keren ru, daga jika terhilang bagi council. Bagi penklaim ya ke security hami hapoyo. Ngalakar padu ya ke police department. Bagi depan bu syu iki brio kijongki. Kibamdai ban riam ya ke uniform kijongki. Henry kum ki civil dress. Senang banla bante lakam ya kini kijing sniu ki badan apo yodo. Tilang ba kani karunsan ngapwa pat persno habi kinong syam dukan baro. Bapin sloha ban bol enti ya kani ban kham si sundan ban num pendan kam yang ki plastik la kalong hakino gino dukan. Baladang ilap nakaliang jong council ba nakaliang jong acting chief nila ong bahag ini kipor nakapor sa kapor ngin pelong kajing kenra kajing shaking ba onde ban penangkam yagi plastik kum bagi laka gila iya kini kisi ya kajing ut jong kisamla kijongi kibam yok kam yok jam ngasno ba kani kayodo kum balai keren kadai kalat lu ban aikam ajam mi samla kijungi ki balanang ki balasta bakin seng ki kam lajong kum mengitip hakani kayo midon kum bakpalat san hajar teli ki basa hoy nga kamyo singhen kadno teli na kini ki basa balasyong na ki weipat ki jay padri ngaso pagaladay kapor bagi try dukan, kibalong ki try muluk, ki try zaga. Kidei ban simtino i halade, yak ini kidukan bagi bedei ban peniat. Baladakim lah ban peniat, kidei ban IT no sa kahima. Kenang pakan yo pakan hima, kan ailat no ikikun samla kijungi, kibamdan kam dan jam. Bakin yo ban sengkam sanjam. Nang bagi numlong kita kisamla kibalai lan lani kibamdon kam dan jam. Ngaso kani kani kebala banle kam dan singe hila ban snai kirul ki an ki jopi aka hima ka jopi nama kaji pelu ka jungi habang ipan bah ya kani kayo ipelut daki klur nakadang council ban yarap ibi kayo do ya pi ko office hima melim khamtam kajing alat kajong iru ban snai kani kayo dilang bat kumba pilabu ya kami marandam ban nakadang council kum mengijudan barobor hasenda ajong ki ban ai kajing yarap ban snai ya kiyo nani bat penhe kani kayo nasno bagadai ban pentik kenaro bagi try muluk ki try zakat kidei banyolan ban syong hapo kani kayo
Kinong elam jong ka ribhoy darbar ha ka sitha dieng jong tayo gilapan pawi ka jing kiman ka bakraw halor ka jing penbena u menteri rangba ka jela u Conrad ke sangma ban penur long no kloy ya ka jing angnu jugi patba ka Western Ribhoy District ban kentiu ka danno ya ka pathar kama administrative unit sya ka civil subdivision Hadian bau Conrad ke sangma ula penti patba ba ka sarkar jela kala bisar benya halor ka jing dan kam ban kentiu ka dan ya ki administration unit bat bantau yaki Community Rural Development Block ka pathar khma kadai ka banengkong ban yo ya ka Civil Subdivision Haribhoi District. U Presiden ka Ribhoi Darbar uba RB Shadab ulapan pau ke jengkiman ke bakrau bantip ba ka sarkar MDA kala dan hakalenti ban penurlong ya ke jing angnut jong patba jong kathan Western Ribhoi District ban yo no ya ke Civil Subdivision. Ulapan pau ba kani ke jing dawa kala dan kumbalai pulai snem bat kalong ka badai hok ban ai ya ke Civil Subdivision. Nakaliang ka Ribhoi Darbar ka ai kublei bekerpang ya Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Konrad ke Sangma halor ka jingpen bena bandon no ya ka pathar khma Civil Subdivision bat kham tam ya ka Jakaru la de ban ai da ka snang pathar khma nadu usnam khat khandai spa khandai pupra ka Ribhoi Darbar ka kerpat ya Menteri Rangba ban penkloi no ya ka kam na ka benta ka jingdon kam bat ka jingbet jingbiang jong gipat ba ka them Ribhoi
hari jingdei bat ka ban upgrade no ya ka Western Ribhoi Administrative Unit Syaka Civil Subdivision. Katkum kijingkren jongmu ngiyoi kumba udon kamensim ban perkat bahana kebenta kaneka Western Ribhoi jongi namar bala dangi ken ya ka jing thung ya kaneka Administrative Unit hakate ka Western Ribhoi nadu ka santari September usnam prabu kendai hadu benta kala poin live pulai senam. Teu uci minister ula penpau ya kata bagane kade ka Administrative Unit kepala Slam pala berkibriu di Bosong sekte kecaka kila don hari jenja kala jengai akala kawan satu jaga district headquarter tinggi penpau yo sungu yo bau yo ya kata bat kumba kali hodor bar nakan por sakapor haki senam kepala lai nilai yaki nak benta kane ka Administrative Unit bangingit scam ba punsa instead hakaban wan ini gurit no ya kaneka Civil Subdivision hakate Western Ribhoi jongi ka Western Ribhoi Civil Subdivision la ka bangin satung ka bangladang iyo ka area jongka ka don kumbasau pupra hajar sanspa nyoko hektar ka jingdon kibriu katkum ka sensos no usnam arjar kadwei kidon kumbalai pausan hajar tam di Sinong kibadon kaneka Administrative Unit kabangi kuah ban kentiu no syaka Civil Subdivision kidon hadu cispa cipautli bat yaka jaka kaban china yak office jong kaneka Western Administrative Unit ya kabangi kuah ban kentiu syaka Civil Subdivision ro ka Sinong patar khama gladamai nadu ka arpu sauterik September siajar kendai spa kendai kupra tetapi ken ya kisnem ka bagasnam ka syang putar kema kala Aisyah ka sorkar kala poi mentah adu arpu sausnam kata kadai ka jingkrang jong kinong Western Ribhoi baro ban yo kloi no ya kene bakajaka ka bagi ai ru kene kijaka ka bagi ai tikat kini jingkrang jong ki ka Ribhoi Darbar nadu kisnem ge bamchua nadu kisnem prapo channel ngiyaki bakane ka area ka day ban pek kerpang ya ka namar kalalong sa borda kisnong gibabun kidon hagi borda kumangitip benta wat kane ka borda isuru gibabun kisnong kidai hak Western Ribhoi den nakta ka ngidon kam kerki ya ka Civil Subdivision ting yui kumba uci minister uyui ya kata tingi penpau yu sungu yu mengingi scam bajwa ke election har hajar abulai bo chief minister unsa wan ini gurit no ya kan eka Civil Subdivision te bantung scam cucu ya kata kajing keren jong chief minister ketkum ka media ka bang yosngo nilai yakur mentegasni bangin pa biang sakawe ka reminder chau chief minister ya ka memorandum ka bangila ai mencua arkli kawe ka bangi ai ka kanyo tari jumlah Januari usnam arhajar kat kendai haka bawlawan daladehi hanongpo hasil circuit house nila ai hak jung haka bagi MLA baru sanwat jong Ribhoi jong ikidon lang ban haka juga por nila ai biang sakawe ka memorandum haka arko tari jumlah ka arhajar arpuwe ha office jung secretariat ban hangneru ula-ulari ni uang nganpe Tendrika ka bangi yosno langba ka media ka bumay haber nihat kalau kemen yang ini benar kadang ni lum kerki ia kena ke working committee bandai kendu yu banten pawa ju semua yu ban haga juga perlu bangikar pat buat stat no man ini kure ia kena ke civil service.
Komisi benta jong kejing rakhi kejing dap sispa lai pui snem ha kejing sakri ya ke imlang salang ban penang pensta diki kena ha ka artari unai lur ka Maukhar Christian Higher Secondary School Chelong kala penlong ya kejing rakhi ya ke foundation day ne ka sngi ke belaseng ya ke ni school ya kani kejing rakhi la pli du sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tensong kum kongsan rengkat kejing edan lang UMLE ka North Chelong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum u principal ke MCHSS uba AH Nongbet ki dukot jang managing committee bat kiwe gi bela syakot sobha uba Preston bat uba Adelbert kila pun kop buram mi ki kena ki bela pas bah ha ke examen SSLC bat HSSLC bat kila pun kop buram ru ikinang hikai ki bela hikai palat ia ka arpusan snem bat lapin ipu iping ia kani kijing rakhi de ki kena school ki bela simenta ha ka ban syat bat ruai ki bela pun sultanat ia baru uba Preston Tensong ulong ba ulong kumni kumba ulong menta kadai namar jong ke school Maukhar Christian namar la yo e kijing nanjing start bat pendap e kijing puli ke jong u na kani ke school house nam khat khandai spa prapulai ulong ba kum kena school ubarim rengkat bat kiwe bat ki parlok ki beli school lang ken saya lum yu senyang bat ken no shipolak tangka ya kani ke school bat ulong ru ba kum usembut menteri rang ba on saya keren bat ke sarkar ban le ai na kabentakan ke school kabala ajing nanjing start bat saya bungut kibrio kibla ai ke jing sakri ke emnang salang haki liang ba per ula kentu ikinang hikai baki kena school baki de ben tresitam ban wan ra biang ya kanam jong ke school namar haki por ki ba menshua bun ki kena jong ke school ki juwan shakmat bha ha ke examen matric.
Let me tell you one story. The moment I completed my matriculation here, 1983. You know, I was so curious to see the day the embossed result declared. And I'm very, very excited to see my school, Maukhar Christian School, is in the top 10. I would request our respected principal, please go back to the history, go to the report. After 1987-88, I never see the name of Maukhar Christian anymore. Very unfortunate. Maukhar Christian's name on the top 10 was no longer there. Such a tallest people throughout the state, be it in politics, be it in social life, be it in the offices, be it in the religious life. Let me just tell you, things happen because of Maukhar Christian. So I would request the members, the president of the governing body, let us try to bring back the name, the fame, in the name of Maukhar Christian Higher Secondary School. Let us go back to the history and let us try to bring it up again, the history of Maukhar Christian High School.
Da ka jing temu ban penslur ki pat ba ban kentiu ke yok ka kot da ka bari ye ki sniang kham tam hababun ki pat ba jong ka jela ki de ki basmat ban bam do sniang ka sarkar jela ka pentri kam ya ka rural backyard piggery scheme ha ka si belang jong ta yau da ka basam ye ki khun sniang ha ka jing elang ka balalong ha ka madan jong ka snong lum nong rim bernihat ribhoi district.
Srimati Vaidis Bandara from Ulangpur village who will receive a piglet 10109662.
Ban kentio kayok kakot kipat ba lengba ka kamri jingri. Ha ka Lifeway Terik Unailar Hajar Arpuar ketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary kelas sedang ban pentrekam ya ka skim risnyang kablatip kum ka Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme lengba ka National Livestock Mission kablajar kerteng ka Progress. Ha ka belala bansam syagis pangut kiro patba marsau teligi konsnyang ha ka program kablalong ha ka badan jong ka lum nongrim ha bernihat. Ha kini ke program ban play kini ke skim lawan manishim benta da ukanrat kongkal sangma Menteri Rang Ba Agajala kum kongsan ha kejingan lang uba Sostenis Soatun MLA Kejirang Constituency uba Jason Saukme Maulong MLA ke Sning Constituency Dr. Manjunath Hasi Secretary ketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary GHP Raju Principal Secretary ketnia ketenat Dr. A Lalu Director ketenat Warpid Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Riboy bat kiwe-kiwe gihe officer. Habakran akan digesengi kumukongsan Konrad Kongkal Sangma Uloong ba ke Sorkar Jela balalam khamat da keseng NPP ke angnut cikadee ban kentiu ke yok kokot jengkipat ba aksyon nong kendong da ke bapen terekam da kene ke skim Progress ke belong ru ke skim ban pelat kipat ba ban kentiu ya ka kamri senyang ha ke Jela brokowei. Bad uloong bakanie kade kejing sedang ya kene ke program kaman sedang yai beteng ha jelai brokaway bad badan katong man pinyo jing mentoy ya kumbahan riu hajar teligi long yeng ki ban yo pediang sau teligi kon sniang kata lai teligi sniang kentai bad uwe sniang shenrang uliatho ru bak sarkar jela lengba ki skim ban kentio ke yo kokot iginok shnong kilala ban pentrekam ya ki babon teligi skim Ulong shosho bak jela Meghalaya katkum ga jingyo lum jingtip loong ba ka jingbam do snyang kakot hadu ukumba kat prahajar ton haksisnam ha ka bala shuanra ikisnyang bamdo na shabar ka jela bar ka jingmotoy kalet syakita ki jela kumta lengba ka ni skim Progress labo ikathong bak jela hi kan laban pendap ikjingdan kam ya ka do snyang bat wat ban shalan ru syaki weipat ki jela ka ban ka jingmotoy na ka benta ki nong risnyang Ulitho balengba kane ka skim hagawat kebanengkong lamang kumba khatsan point khat pra klur tengka.
Leadership and full support, absolutely no holds barred. The Animal Husbandry Department now has emerged as the front runner in reaching out to the poorest of the poor households of our state, sir. There is a huge initiative under your mission mode approach called the Progress. This mission of the livestock intervention, sir, will transform the rural economy and the rural economic landscape of our state in all the 46 blocks. I'm very sure, sir, each DVO, the entire directorate, all the doctors working in the field, the veterinary team now geared up to take forward your Progress. This scheme, this mission mode approach to the grassroots, to the poorest of the poor households of our state, sir, on this wonderful the Golden Jubilee 50th year of our statehood. Sir. The package, now the biggest package comprises 3 sows, that is female pigs, and 1 male, that's a boar. So this composition is basically selected to encourage the households to take up pig breeding. So the pig breeding, the economics, I just share it with you, sir. This scheme now, we started, sir, with your guidance for about 16 crores and Honorable CM sir has announced it, Samanda. Another 25 crores at least will be made available to this backyard rural, the piggery scheme of our state. Sir, with this 41 crores intervention, economic intervention, the Animal Husbandry Department will reach out to nearly 40 to 45,000 poorest of the poor households. If this, I'm distributing roughly around 50 to 55,000 piglets, sir. If these 50 to 55,000 piglets, based on the life cycle of each pig, which is roughly around 4.5 years, every year each female gives birth twice. On an average, sir, if it gives birth 5 piglets per cycle, per annum it gives 10 piglets. Imagine, sir, 40,000 if you take the sows, will produce 4 lakh piglets in a span of 36 months, sir. Each piglet, if it is 4,000 rupees sold, 160 crores in the first cycle, sir. In a span of 18 to 20 months, the rural households will contribute nearly 160 crores to the state of GDP, sir.
Nginomla banjo hakajo kasin lane tang haka sisngi Henry itu kibamyo ibodon haka ligamadan ro pinay up yesha namar ka sarkar kantam honorable chief minister jongi upuro kerpang nagamanta ilong yeng kibadok kublay shibon ya kajing simkya kajongpi kublay shibon ya kajing plaipor kajongpi minister jongi on sanangla ban pentrai kam lingba kajing trailang lingba kajing simkya lang kajongpi paro ibadai hok ibadai yo benta na ki scheme to prepare ke baka sarkar haki department prepare kamtam na veterinary department ke baka singi ke bawah buki kilapu kerpang na kumta jopi ingat scam bagi kerman scam ba ka progress dan ke jingki step jong ka jela ka jungi ka de lingba ka jingi jingai ba lingba ka jong honorable chief minister jungi ba lingba ka jingi trailang jong ki pa baro haka jela ka jungi
hakala si ublay jong kata yau ka jela Meghalaya rengkat bat ki jela jong kari India bar kawai ila rakhi ka National Sports Day kumshi benta ban kan mau buram ya uklori le kai hockey u Major Dhyan Chand da ka ba penlong ya ki program ba pher
Rengkat bat kari India berokowai ke jela Meghalaya hak arp kendai trik nailar hajar arpuar lengbak tenat sports and youth affairs jong ke jela kala penlong ya ke jingrake ya ka National Sports Day da ka ba ai kusnam kerpang ikinong ilakai ke belawan ranam bat buram ke jela hak jingjop ke jinglakai ba pher u Chief Secretary ke jela ba DP Walang kumukongsan ulasan ki kusnam ikinong ilakai hak balai don lang ki he officer sarkar kinong ket kam jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kiwe bat ka jingrakhe ka National Sports Day kalong kum shibenta men kan mau buram ya uklore lakai hockey ba paunam jagari u Major Dhyan Chand nalor kanie kilakit bok ket ruang ru ikilai teliki kinhon kiban mi na kejela ban Asian benta ha ka Subroto Mukherjee Cup International Football Tournament kaban long ha New Delhi Habakran kumukongsan ba DP Walang ulero ekatanat sports and youth affairs kabala penlong ya kaning program ban ajing itu ekjing trishtom jeng kaning lakai kibala job ekjing ya koap ha karensan hakiwei pat kiri hakari bat hakathan da ka ba kusna miki da ka song tengka bat ula kentu kinong lakai bagi dai ban beteng ban trishtom bat lakai bha sho ban pentikna ba jela Meghalaya kan yo kurbon bha kita kema ha kalumpong North East Olympic Games kaban long ha ka jela Ula kenturu ya katanat sports and youth affairs bahkan ele ban sedang pentre kamno ya ka scholarship program na kabentaki kena ke buku aban kio syaprang ha ki kamel akai. Ulong ba ha ka national level kadon ka national talent search ha ki kamel akai. Kumta ha ka jelaru dai bandon ke program na kabentaki bakwa ban terang menel akai na markam long ke besuk hiang kisam ban IT lut ne ban penlut ha ka kamel akai. Ulai jeng mod ikinong ilakai ke belakai ke jeng ilakai kum ka kenhun da ka baai nuksa ya ka football bat kiwe bagi di bandon ya ka group insurance scheme kanang baladaja bikinong ilakai ki mensau ken la ban yo ya ka jeng yaram.
One is, since you have already gone as mentioned by the Vice President of MSOA Baswell, you have already gone with the talent identification scheme which is being run with a private organization who have Olympians also in the midst. So it means that the identification of the sports person has been done very methodically. And I'm sure that it will lead to better prospects in the future for the sports persons of the state. My request is that if the Director of Sports in the future can have a look at having a sort of scholarship programs for students who want to excel in sports. At the national level, of course, we have the National Talent Search for sports. At the state level also, some scholarship programs for those who want to pursue sports. It's not easy for some families to go full-time into sports. The second suggestion I have is that for those who participate especially in team games, team events like football, etc., and so many that we saw today, kindly ensure that there is at least a sort of a group insurance scheme. In case, God forbid, but in case of any injuries, at least they'll have something to fall back into. So a sort of, from the government side, a premium for group insurance for all the sports lovers, for all the sports participants, especially those who are up to the national level, national competition. The third thing is that long-term In fact, with the infrastructure that we'll be having for the national games, kindly plan and think of having some good academies in various activities, various sports, after seeing doing a proper SWOT analysis, that is analyze the strength, the weakness, the opportunities and threats of various sports and have academies, because that will be the right legacy management of the infrastructure. Whether it's sports hostels or sports academies, please get experts to kindly have a look. It could be a badminton, it could be table tennis, it could be a football academy, but the way forward to manage all these infrastructures will be through academies. So kindly have and keep these in mind as far as the future of the state, as far as the long-term plan of the state is concerned. And I'm sure that it will benefit all the sports lovers, it will benefit the sports participants, and also those who are here, who have earned the cash awards today. Call your friends. Tell your friends to participate actively in various sporting activities.
Baru akibala song kurem kidan ye kejing terang ban penyar ye utnum utendai bat ye la kakur kajat da kabayok khun bungut. Handai le si kidan pat kilong yeng ki bawat apdeng kejing song kurem kabala bun snam kimla ban yok khun yok ti. Ban so thu khambhai kan ye UPCN mentang kata yo ulai kran bat ka Dr. Arpita Sarma kabalong ka Chief IVF Consultant jong ka Janita IVF Center Guwahati. Kani ka doktor kabala trei bat ajung sumar mentala palat khatsau snem tam kala ay ka jing batay ka babnya halor ka infertility ni ka jing bam armet ka kenthai tung ni kmi mentay kani ka khubor.
How common is infertility problem? Is infertility only a female problem?
Infertility is a very common health problem. Around 10 to 20% of the couples are nowadays infertile. That means if 100 couples are trying for a natural pregnancy, then 10 to 20% of them are not able to achieve a pregnancy normally or naturally. So answering to the second part of the question, infertility is not a female problem. The causes of infertility are shared equally by both male and female partners. 50% of the causes are due to male factors and 50% are due to female factors. The most common causes of male infertility are due to low sperm count and motility due to diabetes, infections like mumps, varicocele, tobacco and alcohol use. The most common causes for female infertility are polycystic ovarian disease, tubal block, endometriosis and poor ovarian reserve due to age.
What are the treatments available for infertility?
Regarding treatments of infertility, treatment of infertility will depend on 4 factors. Number 1 is the age of the female partner. Number 2, semen analysis report of husband, tubal status, that is the tubes are open or not, and duration of infertility. So if the condition of infertility is mild, like tubes are open, a semen analysis report is normal, age of the female partners is less than 32 years and they are married for only 3 years or less than 3 years, then we will go for simple ovulation induction with some good medicines, and followed by we will plan their relationship or what is called is time intercourse. And if the cause of infertility is moderate, or what we call it moderate infertility, like tubes, one of the tube is closed, semen analysis report shows low sperm count, age of the female partner is more than 35 years and they are married for more than 3 to 5 years, then we will go for intrauterine insemination, wherein we push the highly motile sperms, washed motile sperms into the uterine cavity of wife at around ovulation. This simple procedure gives a very good success rate in such conditions.
If sperm count is very low, is pregnancy possible?
If the infertility is severe, that means both the fallopian tubes are blocked, semen count is very low, like less than 5 million, age of the female partner is more than 38 or around 40, and if they are married for more than 10 years, then we will go for directly IVF or in vitro fertilization. If the sperm count is very low, is pregnancy possible? Yes, it is possible through the procedure of intracytoplasmic sperm injection. In short, we call it ICSI. In this procedure, we select the sperms under very high power microscope, and we inject the sperms directly into the egg of female partner. With this procedure, we can achieve a pregnancy with less than 1 million also, or with the conditions of agiospermia also, where we don't find sperms in the semen sample or absent sperm. It gives a very good success rate with ICSI. So if the sperm count is low, nowadays we don't go for these donor samples or donor sperms. We directly can go for ICSI procedure.
What is IVF and how it is done?
IVF is a procedure where the fertilization of the egg and sperm is done outside the human body, that is in the embryology lab. In this procedure, we take out the eggs or the follicles of the female partner through ultrasound guided. A procedure which takes around only 30 to 40 minutes under short and general anesthesia. And these oocytes are then inseminated or injected with the sperms of husband. Embryos are formed inside the embryology lab, and then these embryos are then pushed back into the uterus of wife. So this is what is called IVF or in vitro fertilization. The injections which are given for IVF are very painless, patient friendly, and the whole procedure takes around 12 to 14 days. Regarding the success rate of IVF, it depends on the age of the female partner. If the female partner age is less than 32 years, then it gives a very good success rate around 50 to 60%. But if the age of the female partner increases, likewise the success rate also declines with that.
Doctor, is IVF affordable?
Regarding the affordability of IVF, it costs you around 1.5 lakhs to 1.7 for one IVF cycle with all the investigations and medicines included.
How will the people of Shillong approach the center, and what is the time of visit to Shillong Children's Hospital?
The people of Shillong can approach us in Children's Hospital from 10th of September onwards. We will start our fertility center in Shillong, and if they have any queries or common questions regarding their problems, they can surely contact us.
For further details, please contact www.janitvaivf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.
Dakatu kubor ngila poi suka bakut jang katu kubor jang imita kata yau in sai syam pat bat phila syam teu haga juga singi haga juga por sai sisien pat kubli